Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, Electoral Act, Electoral Notice, 21 February 2026 by elections. Zalabe na mashoko obudanyo kwa pango ino ya ZEC pachipa notice yama by elections. Mnyeke Zimbabwe acheto mna February no subscribe or like on the bell kutipina mubudanyo kwa mchinzi. Whereas it is provided in terms of section 278 of the Constitution that the seat of a local authority councillor becomes vacant in the circumstances set out in section 129 as if he or she were a member of parliament. And whereas the commission has received notification in writing that the seat of the councillors for Ward 14 of Beitbridge Rural District Council Ward 1, of Chegutu Municipality Ward 7, of Chigomba Road District Council, and Ward 13 of Matobo Rural District Council have become vacant due to deaths of incumbent councillors. B. The seat of councillor for Ward 12 of Chigomba Road District Council has become vacant due to the conviction of the incumbent councillor who was sentenced to imprisonment for a period of more than 6 months without the option of a fine or other non-custodial punishment. And whereas it is provided that upon being notified of the vacant in terms of subsection 1 of the section 121 of the Electoral Act, the Constitution shall publish a notice in accordance with this section 121A. Now, therefore, the Commission hereby notifies the public of the vacancies that have so arisen. The public is further notified that the nomination codes for purposes of receiving nominations of candidates for election as councillors for the vacant wards shall sit on Wednesday, 21 January 2026, commencing from 1000 hours to 1600 hours. The nomination codes shall sit at the places designated in the schedule for the purpose of receiving nominations of candidates for election as councillors for the wards of the stated local authorities. Saturday, the 21st of February 2026 has been fixed as the day on which a poll shall be taken if a poll becomes necessary in terms of section 125 of the Electoral Act. Do mashikano bra nyoko panapa awane ZEC inowa ZEC electoral notice. Pena comment section meduza fungura enye matukudipa msorope chitko ichi. Mzona subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.